Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Flights map feature. First, go to the Google Flights official website and select onto the top choices the word explore. Now from here, you can choose a specific location where you wanted to start the flight and where to. From here, choose anywhere. And now it'll automatically show specific flights directly onto the map feature. You can also zoom in by clicking this top right icon, and you can see different kind of departures including their price, date, and hour. From here, we can use the feature of the Google Map flights by just selecting a specific flights, and we can see the specific price, the round trip cost, the time, and the exact location. You can choose a multiple kinds of departure in order for you to see the flights, the time, and their prices. And that's how to use Google Flights map feature. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.